Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Reddit account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Reddit account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar over here at the top of the screen, click over there and type in the address reddit.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Reddit like this over here. Now in order to log into your Reddit account, guys, let's close this. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available for us over here on this website. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter your username and your password of your Reddit account with which you have signed up for a Reddit account online. And that being said, guys, you can also sign into your Reddit account with your Google or your Apple accounts. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or your Apple will open. And if you log into your Google or Apple on the respected page, guys, you'll be logged into Reddit with your respected accounts. And that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Reddit account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to log into your Reddit account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.